Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited to share my honest experience using this hands-free breast pump. As a new mom, I know how challenging it can be to manage time, so finding something that makes pumping easier is a big deal. I've been using this for a few weeks now, and I'll tell you everything, from comfort to efficiency. So stay tuned. The camera slowly zooms into her face, and then cuts to close-up shots of the breast pump working quietly. Milk flowing gently into transparent bottles. The mom continues in a calm and friendly tone. First of all, I absolutely love how comfortable it feels. The suction is gentle yet strong enough to express milk efficiently. I can even move around or check my phone while it's working, totally hands-free. The sound is so quiet, it doesn't disturb my baby at all. Plus, the silicone pads feel soft on the skin, which makes the whole experience calm and stress-free. The video transitions smoothly between angles. Side views of the pump, her hand adjusting it, and her relaxed expressions. Warm sunlight enhances the peaceful mood. Now, let's talk about performance, she says while showing the filled milk bottle to the camera. It usually takes me about 15 to 20 minutes to express milk completely, which is faster than my old pump. The bottles are easy to clean, and the battery lasts long enough for multiple sessions. I can even store the milk directly after pumping without transferring it. She places the bottle gently in a small baby cooler next to her, smiling softly. The background music is calm and emotional. Overall, I'd say this hands-free design has really made my routine so much simpler. It saves time, feels comfortable, and keeps me stress-free. The only small thing I'd mention is that it feels a little tight the first few times. But once you get used to it, it's perfect. The final scene shows her leaning slightly toward the camera, giving a warm closing message with a smile.